Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and today we have a brand new subscription. Well, it's new to us. We've never ordered from them before. It is from Mouse Marketplace, and this is their Main Street snack box. This is the big one. You want to take a peek? Alright, so this is what we're looking at. Chock full of snacks, and that's all coming up right now. Okay, so we actually ordered two things from them. We ordered a Mouse Marketplace. I forget the name of it now. It's similar to like Magic at Your Door or Bibbidi Bobbidi, where you fill out preferences and they send you all kinds of cool stuff. That one shipped today to us. This one came first, which is the Main Street snack box, and it's the big one. So before we dive right in, I was super excited for this, and I did a little bit more research. So I gotta be as gentle as I can about this, and we're gonna see how this goes and see how tasty they are. So before we get in this, let me show you what I read on the website. I will put it up right here, and you can read along with me. So this is the description of what I ordered. Walking down Main Street, USA, there are a few things that stand out. The smell of the Main Street confectionery, the wonder as the kids see the castle for the first time, and the magic of the castle itself. Since we can't ship the castle to you, let us ship the magic. That guy has a loud exhaust. Let us ship the magic. So the smells and the taste of Main Street, USA. Our Main Street treat box are sprinkled with pixie dust. Contents vary from box to box, including 10 plus snack items, fresh and prepackaged. Fresh bakery and baked goods, and prepackaged Disney snacks. These boxes ship out fresh each Monday and Tuesday, 5 to 7 days after order, shipping included. Images are for inspirational use only and may not be the actual thing in the box. So, the way that it says, let us ship the magic, and the smells and the taste of Main Street, I really thought these were coming from Main Street. And so a couple times, so they have a Facebook group, Mouse Marketplace. Tons of people, like 30,000 plus people that follow everybody, and it's a really good community. Several times I've actually tried to post on there and asked them if they were from Disney or not, and they never approved my post to go on the group. And I thought that was weird. And then we ordered this and it shipped out, and then we started looking more into it, and we're like, is it from there or isn't it? And Mary sent a message saying, hey, how are you guys going to get these snacks now that Disney's closed? We were just wondering if we were still going to get the box or not. And they kicked her out of the group. They didn't say anything. She has no access to the group now. So I'm a little irritated by that. First of all, if this is true and they make these themselves, that's one thing. Like if you just said, hey, we've got a great baker and we're doing our best to replicate, and that's great. Like I would be down to try that. But the fact that it's so kind of gray area, and they're just kind of hinting that it could be from Disney Park, I don't like that, like at all. And honestly, this was $75. There's supposed to be 10 plus snacks. So if there's 10, that's $7.50 a snack. That's even more than the snacks are in the parks. Disney spent a lot of money, a lot of time, and a lot of energy to make it so that we were dumb enough to spend $5 on a Rice Krispie treat. They've earned that. If they're just replicating and charging $7.50, I got a problem with that. So, that being said, if they're delicious, I'll be less angry. Maybe some of them are from there. I don't understand. It's all such a gray area. I don't quite get it. And the first thing I see is from the Disney park, so we'll see how that... Hang on. Before I jump off the ship, let's see. Here's a card. I will throw it up on the screen, boop, so you can take a look at it. thank you for your purchase. With each box, we simply want to share a little bit of magic with you and help you reminisce the joy and excitement of being home, meaning Disney. Let us know you've received your package by sharing your pictures online and using hashtags. Hashtag unwrap the magic, hashtag mouse marketplace. See you real soon. Cute. So, the first thing. This is from the Disney park. And it does say prepackaged Disney snacks. There's confetti. So there is a little bit of caramel corn, which is awesome. And I really like this stuff. And this is from the park. So that's super cool. And that is a good start. And it's got the Disney logo on it. And it's all happy. So cool. I'm happy with that. Next up, we've got a Rice Krispie treat. So, I'm not going to sit here and eat these, even though I want to. So here's a Rice Krispie treat. But I can already tell this is not from the park. I know it's not. So, I'm just curious how gooey they are. Okay. We still got at least 8 more things in here, right? So... another one. I like Rice Krispie treats. And I will put in the description below what was tasty, because I don't want to just sit here and eat on camera. That's just weird. But we will sample all these, and we'll put something in the description below so that you can see what we thought about it. Got some confetti. Alright, now we got 2 other boxes in here. Let's see what we have. Alright. We have a chocolate chip cookie. And we have a sugar cookie. They're cute. But that ain't no Disney snack. Alright. So that's 5 things. Nothing. Nope. I'm alright. So there's 1 more box in here. So there should be 5 things in here. Should we do the... Alright. I got a busted cake pop. And a really busted cake pop. And the box is not crushed. But this is how it was in there. That does not make me happy. I wouldn't spend $7.50 on this if you spotted me $6.50. I hate to be a jerk, but honestly. I'm usually, if you look at some of my other videos, I'm usually a pretty happy-go-lucky guy, but $75 worth of snacks, that... Another cake pop. That one's in good shape, and that one was right next to this one. And 2 homemade oatmeal cream cookies. So, it says 10 things. 2 cookies, cake pop, another cookie, 2 Rice Krispie treats, parts of a cake pop, a big cake pop, and popcorn. So that technically is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 things. Never again. I can even tell you right now that even if these are delicious, and I can tell by the Rice Krispie treats that they're dry, not a chance. Not even close. Not even... No. So, we like trying different box subscriptions, and we still have one coming from them that actually has Disney product in it. So, like, I'm not sure what they're going to put in it, but, you know, like, normal subscription box stuff. So we're going to go into that one with an open mind, but as far as the snack box goes, not on your life. If you'd like to take a look at last week's video, or last Sunday's video, it is right here. It was a Magic at Your Door box, and everything that was in there was from Disney. And if you'd like to subscribe, hit the button right here. Hope you're having a better day than I.